Hi everyone, welcome back to Moras Creations. Today I'm sharing a step-by-step tutorial on how I assemble this stunning shaker box for a mega Rice Krispie treat. Before we get started, let me show you what you need. You're going to need the shaker template from Andrina's Creations, your Rice Krispie treats. You're going to need cardstock or pattern paper of your choice. Here's an example of a pattern pad that I bought from Michael's. Acetate sheets for the shaker. Your sequence shakers. And glitter. Double-sided tape. Squeegee. Scissors. This is the crafting glue that I like to use. And a cutting machine. I use a Cricut. Okay, let's jump right into assembling the box. First step, download the template and print and upload to your cutting machine. Cut out all the pieces you'll need for the box in the shaker window. If you're doing this by hand, take your time, get precise edges. It makes a difference. Now we'll put together the base of the box. Fold along all the score lines and use glue or double-sided tape to secure the edges. Be sure to double check that the box is sturdy enough to hold any treat of your choice. Here I am folding the score lines for the insert for the shaker box, making sure that all my lines meet up so it can fit. Okay, I completed assembling the box, the inside box, and now I'm going to glue my inside image and down into the box. I created a name to go on the outside. I cut out I cut out 4 layers actually for this part. I'm just stacking them up to give it a 3D effect to lay on the outside of the box. Okay, let's assemble the shaker. I attached the acetate to the back of the frame. You can use double-sided tape of glue, any of your choice. I used glue in this case. Once it's secure, I added foam. You can add foam around the edges to create a barrier, but I didn't need to do that for this because I have the raised edges on that box. This will hold the sequins and glitter in place when I add everything into this little section here. Once you fill this section in, you will attach it to the main base with double-sided tape or glue or hot glue of your choice. Now I am going to attach the shaker box to the main base. I'm lining up my edges to make sure they're lined up straight so I don't see any of the inside of the box that shouldn't be seen. Okay, I'm pushing down firmly to make sure everything is connected so the sequins and the shaker beads will not fall out. Okay, now I am going to add hot glue to the edges of this box to seal everything in. I decided to use hot glue instead of the regular glue because it dries a lot faster, so I can speed this part up. Let's add the finishing touches. I'm adding a name that I created earlier that I stacked up. And I forgot to show, I added a little gingerbread man on the end as well. But you will see him in the final product. That's it for today's tutorial. If you love this project or want to see more like it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Moras Creations. And if you're trying this out, tag me and Andrina's Creations and your creations. I'd love to see them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.